That's a very good point there. And as we were just saying, even on settled days, we're doing pretty well when we were looking at our data dashboard. So where is Britain as far as global renewables are concerned? Are we doing pretty well?
Absolutely. So we had early subsidies back in the 2000s and the 2010s, which really helped to build our capacity in offshore wind and helped grow those supply chains from a smaller startup type industry to now a global superpower when it comes to offshore wind. And this is very much a global trend. So the US and China, they're investing hundreds of billions, that's billions, not millions, into offshore wind and wind power in general. And that's because they see it as the next big industry. They're seeing it as a growth area. And the UK's got a strong record, but we do have a risk of falling behind if we continue to drag our heels on some policy and some decision making, particularly when it comes to onshore wind.
Okay, and Jess, how do we compare with last winter, for example?
Well, last winter was a bit of an oddball because we weren't in the same sort of gas crisis and we were coming out of the COVID pandemic. So it's a different situation now. But today we know that wind and renewables in general are very much helping us to get over the gas crisis. They're helping to keep bills lower than they would be otherwise. And they're helping to displace that expensive gas off the system so we don't have to pay for it.
Okay, some encouragement for the future. Jess Ralston from the Energy and Climate Intelligence Unit. Good to have you with us.